Good day, guys. Welcome back. Today we'll be learning a new things in chemistry, and we'll be learning oxidation and reduction. If you know you are tired of failing so this topic in chemistry, and I know that many students find this topic difficult. So if you fall under that category, sit down and learn. It's very, very simple. And if you know you are writing WAEC, JAMB, or any external exam, oxidation and reduction question are 100% certain that they will ask you. So you to sit down, take your pen and jot something down and learn as I'll be explaining oxidation and reduction. And if you know you have not followed this page, please do that now so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be able to see. Now, this is the question. Hydrogen sulfide reacting with chlorine gas form hydrogen chloride gas and sulfur solid. The oxidizing agent in the reaction above is, now in this question we were asked to identify the oxidizing agent in this reaction. And what is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent are substance that reduce at the end of the reaction, causing the other substance to oxidize. They cause oxidation in the reaction, but they themselves they reduce. That's what we call oxidizing agent. And we have another one, reducing agent. Reducing agent, they are substance that oxidize, causing the other substance to reduce. They cause reduction in a chemical reaction. So how do we do that? Solution. Now, like I earlier said, that this question is very simple, and I will answer this question in terms of addition of hydrogen because that's the simplest way to answer this question. You know, in our secondary school, our teacher will tell you that addition of hydrogen to a substance, addition of hydrogen to a substance is what we call reduction. So any substance that hydrogen is being added to at the end of the reaction is called reduction. And removal of hydrogen from a substance of hydrogen from a substance is called oxidation. Now, before we continue, let us bring down this equation and let us explain it side by side. Now we have hydrogen sulfide reacting with chlorine to produce 2 mole of hydrogen chloride plus sulfur. Now, we want to answer this question in terms of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen and removal of hydrogen. How do we do that? Now, this is what you are going to check. From this side, we have hydrogen present. These are the reactants here. These two things, we call them the reactant. So initially, we have hydrogen in the reactant. So in the product side, we are going to check if hydrogen is being removed from any of these reactants, and if hydrogen is being added to any of these reactants. That's what we want to check now. Now, from hydrogen sulfide, if you trace it to sulfur, hydrogen is removed. That's what we call oxidation. Now, if you check chlorine gas here to chlorine in the product side, hydrogen is added. So if hydrogen is added, we call it reduction. Now, chlorine has reduced, sulfur has oxidized. Now, that's not the question. The question they ask us is, what is the oxidizing agent? Now, and I made you understand that the oxidizing agent in a reaction is the substance that will reduce at the end of the reaction. Why the reducing agent is the substance that will oxidize at the end of the reaction. Now, let us check. Hydrogen sulfide undergo oxidation. So, hydrogen sulfide here is the reducing agent. Chlorine gas undergo reduction. So chlorine here is the oxidizing agent. So now let us go to the question and let us pick our answer. Option C is the suitable answer. So guys, if you have not followed this page, please follow, like, share, and comment. See you in my next video.